Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we want to tell you about HTML. So friends, if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe free code GYAN channel, where you will get all the knowledge for free. So let's start. What is HTML? HTML, known as Hypertext Markup Language, is the language used to create web pages using HTML. You can create a web page with text, graphics, sound, and video. What is tags in HTML? A tag is a keyword enclosed by angle brackets. Example, less than I greater than. There are opening and closing tags for many but not all tags. The affected text is between the two tags. More tags. The opening and closing tags use the same command, except the closing tag contains an additional /. For example, the expression less than b greater than warning less than b greater than would cause the word warning to appear in boldface on a web page. Nested tags. Whenever you have HTML tags within other HTML tags, you must close the nearest tag first. Example, less than h1 greater than I greater than the nation less than I greater than h1 greater than. Structure of a web page. All web pages share a common structure. All web pages should contain a pair of less than HTML greater than, less than head greater than, less than title greater than, and less than body greater than tags. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.